was just an ordinary boy with extraordinary plans. I had set my sights on stories of fame and glory as a plan. But when I saw the children in the streets, struggling every day for food to eat, I wondered if fame and glory could ever be a story they could eat. I guess I'm just an ordinary man, doing all the things the best I can. I may never get to Hollywood, but maybe I can help the ones I should.
I was just a lad of 23 with plans to change the world. I would fight for truth and justice, put an end to all injustice if I could. But when I saw the violence in the streets, body bags and wounded at my feet, I wondered if truth and justice could ever be accomplished with a gun.
I guess I'm just an ordinary man, doing all the things the best I can. I may never end in justice,
but wouldn't it be a nice thing if I could?
And yes, I know we have such a long way to go. The path to truth and justice is certainly a rocky road to hoe. When I was a man of 33, I questioned my beliefs. If God had made creation, what were the explanations I didn't see? But when I saw the beauty of the spring, mothers giving life to everything, I realized how all the answers had always been a part of what I'd seen. Yes, I'm just an ordinary man, doing all the things the best I can.
And though I still have questions, I know I'll have the answers when I should.
If you could see what it's done for me,
to live a life of gratitude, appreciating all